The boss has a lot of work today, everyone. Time to get to it. First up, I'm booting up the boss's PC. This machine runs in the cloud, ready the moment you open it, rock solid reliable, and you never have to worry about updates. It has long-term memory, so your data never gets lost. And most importantly, it's secure. The boss told me, I want to build a game kind of like Minecraft. All he had to do was say the word. This mule figures out the intent, breaks down the tasks, and handles everything from game design to interactivity, start to finish. Here's the thing. We mules run on a knowledge system. When we tackle complex or specialized work, we pull from the expertise stored in that system. For example, here's a skill for understanding medical terminology. Upload a prescription and I, your mule, can explain it back to you in plain language. That skill comes straight from the knowledge system. So how does the knowledge system get built? Whenever you find that guiding your mule a certain way in a specific situation gets better results, you can save that insight as a piece of knowledge. You can share your knowledge with others and use knowledge shared by the community, forming a community-driven mule knowledge network. When a mule executes tasks with both your personal knowledge and community knowledge on board, it performs even better. The boss asked me to help with his e-commerce store. Today I'm doing a store check, handling customer service messages and reviewing product listings. Once the money starts coming in, what do you do with it? Hand it off to your mule, your personalized trading assistant. I work on Discord, Telegram, WhatsApp, and in the browser. Drop me into your Discord server. Tell me to monitor the market every 5 minutes, and I'll send you a market update every 5 minutes. On my own initiative, no reminders needed. I work around the clock on desktop, Discord, and Telegram. And I've got your security covered the whole time. Say you message me on Telegram. You want me to scout out money-making opportunities in the market, ideally consistent ones, and report back every 10 minutes. Dream big, and because I can actually do that, here's what I'll do. Hit the Polymarket API to scan markets, prices, liquidity, volume, analyze the odds and look for potential arbitrage, mispricing, high confidence outcomes. Send you a report every 10 minutes. Only place orders after you confirm. I'll tell you exactly what I need, and I'll always flag the risks. Don't use your main wallet. Only top it up if you're comfortable with frequent trading. I'll keep your wallet keys safe. Your data stays yours. And mule behavior is sandboxed. No unauthorized access to critical directories, no high-risk operations. The boss has been working on an AI drama series lately, so a few of us mules teamed up, writing the script, storyboarding, generating video, and handling the edit. Job's done. The boss is back. I am MuleRun, your personal AI. Act before you ask. Always online.